Crafting effective prompts for ChatGPT, the 3 pillars. The art of crafting prompts. Welcome back to our ChatGPT Prompt Mastery series. Today, we'll dive deep into the art of crafting effective prompts, focusing on 3 pivotal pillars. Clear goals, the starting point. Every prompt starts with a clear goal. Ask yourself, what is it you want ChatGPT to do for you? Your objective might vary based on your professional domain, be it sales, marketing, or business management. Examples of goal-driven prompts. From improving social media strategies for businesses to generating cold emails in marketing, or even overcoming sales objections, the power of ChatGPT is vast. Knowing your desired outcome is the first step. Context, adding layers of relevance. While a clear goal is essential, context elevates a prompt. By offering background information, you give ChatGPT the specifics it needs to generate responses that are not only accurate but also deeply relevant to your situation. Context in action. Imagine wanting strategies for a B2B SaaS firm in the technology sector targeting SMBs. By laying out these details, ChatGPT gets a clearer picture, leading to more tailored suggestions. Specificity, fine-tuning your request. The final pillar is specificity. This refers to the precision of your instructions. A detailed prompt ensures ChatGPT understands your request minutely, enabling it to generate the most apt responses. The power of specificity. For example, requesting a vegan chocolate cake recipe without dairy and including peanut butter is more focused than merely asking for a cake recipe. In professional contexts, specificity could mean highlighting a target audience or specifying desired outcomes.